In this video, we take a step-by-step look at the earliest signs of pregnancy. From delayed periods to morning sickness, breast tenderness to frequent urination, watch the video to find out the most common signs and discover when to take a pregnancy test. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Wondering if you're pregnant? In this video, we talk about the earliest signs of pregnancy and why they matter. The signs you recognize early on can help you take critical steps for the health of both you and your baby. Delayed menstruation. Why does it appear? The hormones progesterone and HCG, which increase as the fertilized egg attaches to the uterus, stop the menstrual cycle and prevent bleeding. When does it start? If you have a regular cycle, you can notice it from the expected menstrual date. Things to watch out for: stress, weight changes, or certain medications can also cause a delay. A pregnancy test is essential for a definitive diagnosis. Breast tenderness and changes. Hormonal background. The rapid increase in estrogen and progesterone enlarges breast tissue, accentuates veins, and darkens the areola on the nipples. How it feels: fullness, swelling, pain, or stinging sensation when touched. Differentiation from PMS. In PMS, the discomfort goes away with menstruation, while in pregnancy, it continues to increase. Fatigue and tiredness. The main culprit is progesterone. High progesterone has a sedative effect on the nervous system, producing a feeling of deep fatigue. Economical energy use. The body uses extra energy to regulate the placenta, increased blood volume, and metabolism. How to manage it. Plenty of rest, frequent and nutritious meals, light exercise, and plenty of water consumption are recommended. Nausea. What is the cause? Rising HCG and estrogen stimulate the nausea center, causing discomfort. Onset time. 2 weeks after fertilization, between the 4th and 6th weeks of pregnancy. Relief tips. Small and frequent meals, ginger tea, lemon water, and avoidance of triggering odors. Frequent urination. Hormonal and mechanical effects. HCG and progesterone increase renal blood flow. In the following weeks, the growing uterus presses on the bladder. Advice for the night. Reduce fluid intake 1 to 2 hours before bedtime and avoid caffeine. Miscarriage bleeding. When and how? 6 to 12 days after fertilization, there may be short-term bleeding in the form of light pink or brown spotting. It is different from menstrual bleeding, less in quantity, shorter in duration, and clotless. Other early symptoms: olfactory sensitivity and cravings. Some odors may be irritating, and cravings for certain foods may be intense. Mood changes. You may experience sudden ups and downs of emotions due to hormonal fluctuation. Increase in basal body temperature. A high temperature that does not drop after ovulation may be a sign of early pregnancy. When should you do a test? 97 to 99% accuracy is achieved when you take a home pregnancy test following a delayed period. A blood test and a medical checkup are necessary for a definitive diagnosis and to determine the gestational week. As soon as you feel the first whispers of pregnancy, listen to your body and do not hesitate to make the necessary confirmations. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon. Share your experiences with us in the comments, and let's discuss the situation together. See you in the next video.